Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa jal farajam ashwain. Viewers, today I am going to tell you Prophet Hazrat Abraham A.S. father's information. Tarikh. Tarikh was among the believers. Early scholars hold that Tarikh was the name of Hazrat Abraham A.S. father. Prophet Abraham A.S. was born to him. Azar. Azar was the name of his uncle. Azar was well-known idol sculptor and crafter of idols that his people. Ab has been used for Azar. Ab has different meanings and does not necessarily mean father, biological father. Prophet Abraham Islam prayed for his biological father along the other believers, which clearly indicates that his biological father was not a polytheist.